Stay tuned to find out how to make this week's project. To begin this project, I added this really pretty blue metallic gift ribbon to the inside of the glass candle holder just to take up the empty space. You can either skip this step or you can add really pretty stones or twinkle lights. It's completely up to you. To finish decorating the base of this project, I'm adding this diamond wrap to the neck of the candle holder, simply using my hot glue. Be careful and do not burn your fingers, as the hot glue can seep in between the little diamond studs. To begin decorating the tray of our project, I am going to add the diamond wrap to 3 of the 4 sides. Again, using the hot glue. Take your time and work in small sections if you need to. When you add the diamond wrap, you're going to make sure that you leave enough to overlap the edges, because you don't want those sharp edges poking out to where it could potentially cut anybody. Before you add the diamond wrap to your 4th side, you're going to decoupage your chosen image to the glass. Add your layer of Mod Podge. Then you'll go ahead and lay your image on top. Once you get it placed where you want it, you're going to add another layer of Mod Podge, adding enough so that the image is securely flat. Next, I mix this fine silver glitter with some Mod Podge to create a glittery mixture. You can use any color glitter of your choice, of course. And then after I mixed it together, I painted it onto the rest of the glass wherever the image was not. While I was looking at it, I decided to add more glitter because I really wanted the glitter to shine as well on this project. So I just lightly dusted extra glitter on top of the glitter and Mod Podge mixture just to enhance how much glitter is going to show up in the end. Once I added enough to my liking, I took it outside and sprayed the entire glass with this clear acrylic sealer. I wanted to make sure that the glitter really stayed adhered to the glass. You'll leave this outside to dry. Once everything is finished drying, you'll add your diamond wrap to your 4th side of your glass, making sure again not to burn yourself, and then you will hot glue the base of the display table onto the bottom of your glass, finishing up the project. And here is the finished DIY. I really like how this turned out. The glitter is very prominent, as well as the chosen image offline. I really like how elegant and glamorous it is, and it has a cute little surprise element with having the ribbon inside the glass candle holder on the bottom. Even though when I originally started the DIY, I expected for the ribbon to be seen through the top of the glass, I don't mind that it now is a surprise element on the bottom if somebody happens to look under the display table. It's just a really cute pop of color as well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this week's DIY? Thanks so much for joining me for another video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend, and leave me a comment down below. Turn on the bell for notifications each week for a new DIY. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. I love you guys so much, and always, always keep creating. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Love you. Bye.